Hey guys, today in this video, I'll guide you through how you can fix your Google Play purchase verification setting. Watch till the end to grab everything properly. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, open the Play Store app on your mobile device and make sure your account is signed in. Note that Google is constantly updating their security settings, and this is one of them. Basically, it is a security feature that helps in verifying if you're the one installing apps on your device. In order to access the settings, tap on your profile icon at top right corner and select Settings from the pop-up menu. Inside Settings, tap on the Purchase Verification feature and then enable it. What it does is, it will prompt you to verify using your biometrics or Face ID whenever you try to install apps. So that's basically how you can fix your Google Play purchase verification setting. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.